Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Devolo 8961 Wi-Fi repeater using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the any extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. The Devolo 8961 repeater is a compact device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to eliminate dead zones. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup. Firstly, plug the Devolo 8961 repeater into a wall socket near your router. Turn it on if it has a power button. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the LED becomes steady or slow blinking, which means it's ready. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. It's usually marked with WPS or a small 2-arrow, circular icon. On some routers, it may be inside a recessed hole that you press with a pin. Press the WPS button on your router. The WPS LED on the router should start blinking. This means the router is now searching for a device to pair with. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your Devolo 8961 repeater. Press and hold the button for 1 to 2 seconds. The repeater and router will automatically exchange Wi-Fi settings. This takes about 1 to 3 minutes. When successful, the repeater LED turns solid green/white, depending on model. Blinking stops, showing a stable connection. Your repeater now uses the same Wi-Fi name and password as your router. Unplug the repeater. Plug it halfway between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.